Well folks, today's video is about the kind of straps that I use. They're called lasso straps. And there are several different ways you can use them to tie down the car, and I'll show you a couple of them. The lasso strap has a ring on one end that you can feed the tail end through to make a lasso. So here's one way that you can use a lasso strap. You put it around the entire tire. Make sure that it's out of the way of the suspension parts. If you can imagine that the tire is a clock with 12 o'clock up here, put the straps at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. When you feed the strap through the ratchet, and you have this little protector here to protect the strap. Make sure that this ring doesn't touch your rim and that it's in the center of the hub. You don't have to over tighten them. You can see the tires bulge a little bit, so you don't want to damage them. And a good way to fold up the strap is fold it in half, push it through the ratchet, and then lock it down. There you go. That's how you can use a lasso strap around the tire. And the way that I'm going to be transporting this nice car today is go through the wheel. So here's the second way that you can use the lasso strap. Be careful not to damage it. Make sure to use this rim protector. Now feed this end through the ratchet. Just hand tight, you don't have to overstress your equipment. And then fold this in half. Fold it in half again. Push it through the ratchet. There you go. Your strap's secured. Go around to make sure all of them are tight. So there you have it folks, that's how you tie it down. Let's get on the road. Folks, thank you for watching. I liked making this tutorial video. Let me know in the comments section if there's anything else I can make a tutorial about. And take a look at this video where I show you how to make your own ramps to load low cars. I'll see you in the next video.